Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. We'll be doing a basic overview of the instrument. We'll be talking about who's it best suited for and why you should buy it. Coming up. Hey guys, Sergio with Capital here. We're going to be talking about the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. I got the 5-second accuracy variant here. There's also a 2-second accuracy variant, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But for now, let's just do an overview of this total station here. The Nikon NPL 322 is Nikon's entry-level total station. It's a very basic total station, but it comes with all the fundamental features you would expect from a modern total station. There's your standard 3 leveling screws, circular vial on the tri-brack for coarse leveling, then there's the plate level vial for finer leveling. And when you turn on the unit, there's a button with a picture of a vial on it that will take you to the electronic leveling function. The horizontal and vertical motion is smooth, and the locking mechanisms on the Nikon NPL 322 have a great feel to them. And of course you have the fine-tuning knobs to move the unit in smaller increments. Nikon is known for their legendary optics, and the optics on the Nikon NPL 322 are no exception. It has a very clean and crisp view. The big knob is for focusing your view, and the smaller knob is for focusing your crosshairs. Alright, let's power this thing on and check out the user display. There are 2 distance measuring buttons that have the exact same function, but you can customize to have different settings. We'll discuss those in just a minute. Here we have the angle button that will bring up your curtain vertical and horizontal angles. And lastly, there is a display button which will cycle through 4 customizable displays. There is also your alphanumeric buttons and directional buttons, the electronic vial button we discussed earlier, and the menu button. Alright, let's talk about the EDM, the electronic distance meter. On the Nikon NPL 322 Plus, there's 2 EDM modes. There's prism mode and there's reflectorless mode. In prism mode, you're gonna have to aim your crosshairs at a prism to get a distance measurement. In reflectorless mode, you'll be able to aim at any well-lit surface and you'll be able to get a distance measurement. Back to the 2 measure buttons. If you hold one of them down, it will allow you to customize your measurement settings. You can change the EDM from prism to reflectorless. If you are in prism mode, you can change the prism offset to match the prism you are using. I think the most optimal way to customize these 2 measure buttons is to have one set up for your prism shots and the other one for reflectorless shots. The distance range differs when you're talking about reflectorless mode and prism mode. In reflectorless mode, it's going to be shorter, so you're going to be able to get up to 1,300 feet on the Nikon, and in prism mode, you'll be able to get up to 10,000 feet. Now, I don't know if anybody can see that far, but that's what Nikon rates it at. Let's talk about the communication features on the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. So you have 2 different ways to communicate with this total station. You got cable connection and you have Bluetooth, which comes standard. Now the cable connection, you're gonna have a cable with the RS-232 connection and a serial connection. And the Bluetooth is obviously the easier way to go. So this one here is the 5-second accuracy variant. And like I said earlier, there's a 2-second accuracy variant as well. On the 5-second accuracy variant, there is 1 display, whereas on the 2-second accuracy variant, there's 2 displays. Now there's also a Nikon NPL 322 Plus P, which only shoots the EDM in prism mode. So this one here, this is just the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. You can have it either in reflectorless mode or in prism mode. The Nikon NPL 322 Plus P only shoots in prism mode. All right, let's talk about who this total station is best suited for. My first recommendation would be to the surveyor who's starting out on his or her own. I know what it's like to start a business, and for most people, money is a big factor in that process. With the Nikon NPL 322 Plus, you're going to get the most bang for your buck. You're not going to get any lower price total station than the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. The price you pay for the quality this total station delivers is virtually unmatched. It's also good for contractors. I have a lot of customers in construction, and the NPL 322 Plus is a very good option for surveyors in that field. With the low cost, you can easily outfit multiple crews. Let's say you work for a police or a sheriff department and you work in accident reconstruction. We have a lot of customers that bought these NPL 322s for that specific reason as well. And to you seasoned surveyors out there who might already have a high-end GPS setup, just keep one of these in your truck as a companion unit just in case you need to get some shots under a tree line. Alright, so why should you buy this total station? Bottom line is the price. The retail price for this one here is around $4,500, but on capitalsurveillancesupplies.com, we always have great deals on this, so check out the description below. I'll put some links into all 4 variants, the Nikon NPL 322 Plus with the 2-second and the 5-second, and the Nikon NPL 322 Plus P with a 2-second and the 5-second. You can check out our prices on our website, and you're gonna get a great deal. Now, as far as quality is concerned, this is Nikon. They've been around for a long time, and you're gonna get some great quality. Bang for your buck factor is just through the roof with this total station here. You could get something cheaper, but that's what it's gonna be, cheaper. And you want to skimp out when you're gonna be spending this much money on a piece of equipment that's gonna be guiding your work for the next maybe couple of years. Now, the Nikon NPL 322 Plus comes with a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, so anything happens within that 2-year period, the repair costs are gonna be covered. You can also upgrade that warranty year by year, up to 5 years. So you could have a 7-year warranty on this thing. So there you have it. That's my overview of the Nikon NPL 322 Plus. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.